Walaikum salam. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Insha, you are silent after this time. So now our topic is Adil. Insha, Masrat, please remember and have an attention towards me. This is today an interesting topic today, and it is known as lipids. Mostly the people above the 40 age get frightened towards these lipids because they cause the problems in these people. Abbaspir, do you know? Insha, you know, right? Right? Insha, have a response from your side. So, lipids. Is my voice audible to everyone? Is my voice ever Masrat Muhammad Said Kash very good. लिपिड्स पहले हम अब्बास भी देखो हम डेफिनेशन इसकी देखेंगे इंशा हमने अभी तक पढ़े कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स पढ़े प्रोटीन्स पढ़े राइट एंड हमने उनके देखा वहाँ पर चेन्स बने हुए होते हैं अगर प्रोटीन्स हमने देखे अमोनियो एसिड्स के चेन्स बने हुए होते हैं राइट तो दीज अमोनियो एसिड्स फार्मस द प्रोटीन्स जिसको वहाँ पर हम पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन्स बोल रहे थे ना इंशा right very good but what in the lipids please remember it they are non-polymers there are no polymer is there no polymer is there and first of all I want to ask you lipids whether they are in the filtrate or retentate रिटन वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी आवाज आई आपकी रिटन टेट की एक लंबी सी आवाज आई वेरी गुड एंड राइट retentate में होता है and how many daltons they have they are actually the micromolecules but they form the vesicles and so they were found in the retentates right this we have discussed already and you do know about all these things and the lipids I told they are non-polymers first of all non-polymers and when they are non-polymers and what they are then they are in the macropools retentate but are actually the macropools because their molecular weight is about 800 daltons and we have discussed it. Lipids are esters. There is a formation of the bond that is the ester bond. That is the ester bond, right? Insha Riaz, Rehana Bashir, don't discuss anything. Rehana Bashir, right? Lipids are esters. What in Shariaz? This mean lipids are esters. किस किस के एस्टर के बॉन्ड बना रहे हैं फैटी एसिड्स एंड ग्लिसरॉल these are non-polymers there is no continuous chain of any like we have seen in the ammonia acids they are non-polymers but there is a bonding between the fatty acids and the glycerol between the fatty acids and glycerol so we can see that lipids are non-polymers they are the esters of fatty acids and glycerol these are insoluble in water these are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents I am repeating it they are insoluble in water you will be knowing when the fats are put in a water do they dissolve there insha abbas Peer? Do they dissolve there Masrat Mohabbat Khan very good so they are insoluble in water soluble in organic solvents and what are they made of they are also made up of I am writing it they are made up of you had the two chains in front of you they are made of carbon hydrogen oxygen is there and they are also made up of nitrogen phosphorus sulfur six things I am discussing right sulfur phosphorus and
Hydrogen, oxygen,
नाइट्रोजन।
hydrogen. Yeah.
रिपीट करो इनको इंशा, कौन कौन से मैंने 6 बताए, 6 मॉलिक्यूल्स मैंने कौन कौन से बताए?
Sir, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। इसी तरह से इस तरह से जल्दी हो जाएगी। शाबाश। सो आई एम रिपीटिंग इट, प्लीज रिमेंबर द डेफिनेशन, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इसमें इंशा, रियाज, अब्बास पीर, मसरत, काशिफा, प्लीज रिमेंबर द थिंग्स हियर दैट इन द बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज नॉट, अभी तक जितने भी पेपर नीट में देख गई है मॉलिक, कुछ टॉपिक्स पढ़ जाते हैं इसमें, मगर बायोमॉलिक्यूल से हमेशा मैंने देखे हैं 2010 तक आज तक जो पेपर मैंने देखे हैं, बायो मॉलिक्यूल्स में से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं और स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन जाते हैं, उल्टे नहीं, ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा जाता है, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, मैंने देखे हैं, और दे आर द इजिएस्ट टू सॉल्व बट इफ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स, राइट। नॉन पॉलीमर्स, एस्टर्स ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स एंड गैल्सरॉल, soluble in insoluble in water, insoluble in organic acids। मगर यहाँ पर क्या है, दे आर, हमने बताया था आपको, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आर यूज्ड फॉर द एनर्जी, बट दे प्रोड्यूस द लिपिड्स प्रोड्यूस द मोर एनर्जी दैन द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, they are more energetic than the carbohydrates. And what are they made up of then? Their basic components are the fatty acids. The basic components of the lipids are the fatty acids, right? And right, and how many carbon, you can see a big chains of the carbons, there are about 16 to 18 carbon atoms in every chain of the fatty acid. So the basic component, so मैंने बताया कि एक फैटी एसिड में 16 से 18 तक कार्बन एटम्स होते हैं, 16 से 18 तक, ज्यादा भी है, मगर मोस्टली 16 to 18 carbon atoms are found in the fatty acids. The basic component in Shariaz, Abbas, you remember it.
Yes.
The basic component of the lipids is the fatty acids, right? And the fatty acids do contain the carbon chain that is about 16 to 18. Understand? Understand up to this time?
Yes.
And very good. Can anybody repeat this? Who will repeat this? Masrat, repeat this immediately. Immediately, but you are very.
So lipids are non-polymers. Lipids are esters of fatty acids and glycerol. So these are insoluble in water and soluble in organic
Solvents. Very good.
organic solvents, and they are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. So they are more energetic than carbohydrates. So the basic component of lipids are fatty acids. So they contain 16 to 80 carbons.
Very good. Very good. Abbaspir, did you understand? In Shariaz, did you understand? Said Kashyapa,
Yes,
is this crystal clear to you up to this time?
yes,
अब देखिए, जो लिपिड्स होते हैं, लिपिड्स दो तरह के होते हैं, लिपिड्स दो तरह के होते हैं, देयर आर द टू काइंड्स ऑफ द लिपिड्स, वन इज द सैचुरेटेड, one is made up of the saturated fatty acids and second is the unsaturated fatty acids. मैंने बताया the basic component of the lipids is the fatty acids. And what are the fatty acids? Fatty acids are the hydrocarbons. They are the hydrocarbons having the alcoholic group in them, and they have about 16 to 18 carbon atoms. They are of the two types, saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. इनको इनको ये भी लिखते हैं, इनकी एब्रिवेशन भी होती है SFA, saturated fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acids, UFA, unsaturated fatty acids. The fatty acids, which are the basic components of the lipids, can be of the two types. One is the saturated fatty acids, second is the unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids means that they cannot take any molecule. They have such a type of the saturation they have such a type of the saturation, they cannot take any molecule, they cannot add any more molecule to it. This means the saturation. For example, I have in Shariaz put a saturated fatty acid in front of you. See the carbon atoms, and it is filled with the hydrogen atoms, and there is the impossibility of it that it can take the more molecules of the hydrogen. That is why it is called the saturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acid, see, there are the double bond in it, and this double bond can be broken and it will take an another molecule to it. So this is known as unsaturated fatty acid. So I am repeating it, I am repeating it in Shariaz, I am repeating it in Shariaz that कतैन लज गामच क्रैक गसने अब आस पीर वायन पूज ये निंद कर आज वो निंद क्रैक गसन कुन जाए, राइट? मैंने क्या बता, वेरी गुड. This is the fatty acid formula, right? I have told you it is made up of the hydrocarbon and one hydroxyl group, alcoholic group is with it, right? Isn't it? And this fatty acid are of the two types. One is the saturated fatty acid. There is not the possibility that it can take the more molecules, so it is known as the saturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acid which have the double bonds, I have discussed it, I have put the diagram in front of you just now. This type, right, it is the fault that it is filled, right, it have iron, this saturated fatty acid, the all the bonds are here clear, so it is not the possible, it is not a possible that it can take the more oxygenous, more hydrogen bonds to it, and that is known as saturated. Unsaturated means where we did find the double or the triple bonds, and there is a possible the bonds can be broken and they can take the more molecule, and that is known as the unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids अगर हम बात करेंगे, अगर हम बात करेंगे सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स, बिकॉज सैचुरेटेड फैटी अगर फैटी एसिड्स हम स्टडी करेंगे, दिस मीन्स वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लिपिड्स, बिकॉज बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स इट हैज द लिपिड्स. अगर हम सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स की बात करेंगे, देयर इज नो डबल बॉन्ड, करेक्ट फीचर्स, देयर इज नो डबल बॉन्ड इन इट, राइट? नो डबल बॉन्ड एट ऑल, अबास्फीर नो डबल बॉन्ड, राइट? स्ट्रेट चेन है, isn't it? And what is important, what is important, they remain solid at the room temperature, they remain solid at the room temperature. Insha, can you give the example which we do it in our homes? Saturated fat, no double bond,
Yes.
straight change, solid at the room temperature. Masrat Mohammed, Abbas Peer, Kashifa, Adnan Farooq, But Zakir, I want you an answer from you. The saturated fatty acids that we use in our homes, we did eat every time. The saturated. Can you give an example? A simple example that is relevant to us in Shariaz. I want an answer from you in
Yes,
Shariaz,
sir.
right? Saturated fatty acids. Naila Bashir. Oh, Abbas Mir. Saturated fatty acid. उज़मा इज़िया सईद का सानिया हमीद सबिया मसवल. सैचुरेटेड फैट जो हम खा रहे हैं घर पर, दैट इज सिंपली द बटर, which you take the butter, there it remains becomes the solid at the room temperature, it becomes the solid at the room. And what it is, what fatty acids are in it? Butyric acid, very important. What fatty acid does contain the butter, homemade butter, and we do consume at the home, that is a butyric acid. हाँ, 3 कैरेक्टर्स फीचर्स मैंने बताई. नो डबल बॉन्ड, स्ट्रेट चेन, solid at room temperature. एंड एग्जाम्पल मैंने बताया ब्यूटारिक एसिड या पाल्मेटिक एसिड. ब्यूटारिक एसिड यानी जो इस बटर में होती है, या पाल्मेटिक एसिड. तो किस में पाया जाता है ये एनिमल फैट में पाया जाता है, ये एनिमल फैट में पाया जाता है. राइट 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 इन शारी.
Yes, sir. Or
हाँ, and this is found in the animal fats. Saturated fat, Mohammad Khan, I will remove you. Right? Masrat, इंशारियाज, अब्बास पीर रिपीट कीजिए, इसका मैंने क्या बताया सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स के बारे में, जल्दी से जल्दी कीजिए, सो दैट यस, वेरी गुड। किन में पाया जाता है? किन में पाया जाता है सैचुरेटेड फैट? एनिमल फैट में। यस, इंशारियाज एग्जांपल दीजिए, मैंने 2 एग्जांपल दिए। बटर में कौन से फैटी एसिड्स पाए जाते हैं? Butyric acid and palmitic acid is the second example, right? Is this clear to you? Unsaturated fatty acids. अब unsaturated fatty acids, अनसैचुरेटेड मैंने जो बताया आप तक सैचुरेटेड के, इसके अपोजिट में पड़ता है। दिस इज द अनसैचुरेटेड फैट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, अनसैचुरेटेड। सी, मैंने बताया वहां पर सिंगल बॉन्ड, यहां पर क्या पड़ा है? व्हाट इज दिस? डबल बॉन्ड। This is a, so this double bond can be broken, it will take in more or any other more molecule, right? So here we can say unsaturated fatty acids, it is oily at the room temperature, oil at room temperature, right? Isn't it? That was what in Sharias, what was saturated? What was saturated? What was the position of the saturated fatty acid at room temperature? Solid. Very good. Solid. But Zakir, very good. Solid. In Sharia, it was solid. But this remains oily. It remains liquid. And the chain that was straight, this is the band here. It is banded. It is liquid. It is banded. Right? Two and above bonds are found in it. Example is the vegetable oil. We take sunflower oil. Mostly the doctors advise us, those who have the cholesterol and the sugars, take the sunflower oil. Or they say that Abbas Pir you will be mowing, are you selling in your shop? That is Saffola oil. Saffola. उस पर पढ़ना वहां unsaturated fats. Saturated fat is their nil. Cholesterol is their nil. That is unsaturated fat is their nil, and the unsaturated fat is in them. That is, it is made up of the sunflower as a safflower. That is one of the flower wherefrom it is made. That is known as a saffola. That is why it has been named as a saffola oil. So this is the two fatty acids are either the saturated fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids we have given the butyric acid, and the unsaturated like the oleic acid, linoleic acid. ओलिक एसिड और द लैनुलिक एसिड। अनसैचुरेटेड फैट की भी 2 तरह के होते हैं। अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स इंशा रिमेंबर कर रहा है, याद रखना यहाँ पर अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स 2 तरह के होते हैं। एक जिनमें खाली एक डबल बॉन्ड होता है, जिनमें खाली एक डबल बॉन्ड होता है, और उनको कहते हैं मानो अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स। मानो अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स। जिनमें एक डबल बॉन्ड होगा, दे आर नोन एज ए मानो अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स, राइट? एंड जिनमें एक से ज्यादा होंगे, दीज आर नोन एज ए पोली अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स। सिंपली मुफा एंड प्यूफा, one double bond in mufa and more than the one double bond, these are known as a pufa. Mono unsaturated fatty acids, mufa, like the oleic acid, that is unsaturated fatty acid, and polyunsaturated fatty acids that have more than one double bonds, that is linoleic acid. That is linoleic acid. I am writing here oleic acid, oil. These are oils that mostly, and this is the linoleic acid. Linoleic acid. I am writing it. Unsaturated, I am repeating it. Unsaturated fatty acids have the 2 types. The single bond, that is known as a mono unsaturated fatty acid, like the oleic acid, and they more than one they bonds, more than one they double bonds. These are known as the pupa or the polyunsaturated fatty acids, like the linoleic acid, like the linoleic acid. Right? Repeat it, Said Kashifa. Can you repeat it? Abrar Khan says that we did understand all these things. Abbas Peer, Masrat Muhammad, Inshariaz,
Yes.
please repeat
Yes,
it so
sir.
that I can move forward. I can move forward immediately. I can move forward unsaturated. खाली unsaturated fatty acids को repeat कीजिए so that everybody will listen it.
Sir, इनमें double or triple bond होता है. It is oily at room temperature.
Uh,
A chain is bended.
very good.
For example, oilic acids and
Linoleic acid. Linoleic acid. Very good. इनमें दो kinds होते हैं. मसरा ये काशिफा. What are these two kinds? Please repeat it immediately. Immediately repeat it. Immediately repeat it.
सर मोनो अनसैचुरेटेड जिसमें वन डबल बॉन्ड होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑयलिक एसिड, पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स जिसमें मोर देन मतलब एक से ज्यादा डबल बॉन्ड होंगे. लेनुलिक एसिड
यानी मुफा एंड पूफा. सैयद काशिफा,
यस सर.
सैयद काशिफा, क्यों होगा क्यों दम टूट गया आपको? क्यों नहीं बता रहे? अच्छा, ये जो फैटी एसिड्स होते हैं, इंशारिज प्लीज वेरी वेरी एक्सलेंट, इंशारियाज वेरी एक्सलेंट. वेरी ये कत मज यानी मे दुसमो तय अख एग्जांपल. सैचुरेटेड यूज जना छ आसान बटर खवान छ अस तील वुनस यूज जना सब्जी मज त्रावान छ, दैट इज द अनसैचुरेटेड. डॉक्टर करान एग्जाम अनसैचुरेटेड तील खीजो यथ मन कोलेस्ट्रॉल यम सद शुगर बढ़ कहीं तुस खवान दारा वगैरह. राइट? वो जना आन चे इनशा दपा बह ग मोटे कहीं तन खा अन ते कत आन सह द्रुग पे सह कत अबास पीर सह कत लीटर पे अनसैचुरेटेड फैट वोल सफोला कत पे लीटर? 400 रपी लीटर पे सह ये तुम गर आना जहाँ तो कत पाई 400 रपी लीटर तुम मरियो मर अनवा. इंशार आजाम बह वुचा युथ सफोला क्युथ मगर वुच कत. वेरी गुड. ये जो फैटी एसिड्स होते हैं, जैसे हमने अमीनो एसिड्स का पढ़ा था ना इंशारियाज, ये फैटी एसिड्स भी होते हैं एसेंशियल एंड नॉन एसेंशियल. एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड्स वो होते हैं जो हम, जैसे हमने अमीनो एसिड्स में बताया था कि जो हम खुद नहीं बना सकते हैं, जो हमारी बॉडी बना नहीं सकती है, दैट कैन नॉट बी that cannot be synthesized in our body. Those fatty acids that cannot be synthesized in our body are known as the essential amino acids, like the linoleic acid. ये बाहर से लेना पड़ता है. Non essential that can be synthesized in our body, like the oleic acid. हाँ, on the basis of the structure of the fatty acids, we have divided in the saturated as well as unsaturated. On the basis of the necessity of our body, of their synthesization, our body cannot synthesize some of the fatty acids. They are known as the essential fatty acids, like the linoleic acid. Which the fatty acids that are synthesized by our body, these are known as the non-essential fatty acids, like the oleic acid, and the essential is a linoleic acid. Right? Understand?
Yes.
Understand? Right? Understand all. Adnan Peer, Bhat Zakir, Bushra Zafar, Fajar Farooq, Farhan Wani, Ghazi Farhan, Mir Mubashar, Muntazir. Please listen, it is very important. Every year I have told you the question is being asked from the biomolecules, but they know that it is a difficult topic for the biologists, so they put the simplest questions among the biomolecules. So remember, remain cautious here, remember it, and you will get the easiest questions from the biomolecules if your aim is to cross the NEET exam. Right? The types of the lipids. हाँ, इंशारियाज टाइप्स अगर हम देखेंगे, इनमें 3 टाइप्स हैं. कितने टाइप्स हैं? 3 टाइप्स आर देयर. One is the simple lipids. One is simple lipids. Second is compound or the conjugated lipids. Third is the derived lipids. यानी कितने टाइप्स हैं ये? सिंपल लिपिड्स, कंपाउंड लिपिड्स, डाइराइवर्ड लिपिड्स। सिंपल लिपिड्स क्या होते हैं? सिंपल लिपिड्स जो हम सिंपल, इनका क्या होता है? ग्लिसरॉल और फैटी एसिड से बना होता है। आई डू हैव द लाइब्रेरी, इन माय लाइब्रेरी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस ग्लिसरॉल, एंड मैंने आपके ही किताब से, एनसीईआरटी से मैंने ये उठाई है। यू कैन चेक इट फ्रॉम योर एनसीईआरटी। सी द ग्लिसराइड्स, सिंपल लिपिड्स 2 तरह के होते हैं। मैंने बताया लिपिड्स के 3 काइंड्स हैं, सिंपल लिपिड्स, कंपाउंड लिपिड्स एंड डेराइव्ड लिपिड्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस द सिंपल लिपिड्स। सिंपल लिपिड्स क्या होते हैं? सिंपल लिपिड्स वो होते हैं जो सिंपल होते हैं, दैट आर द ग्लाइसराइड्स एंड वैक्सेस, glycerides and waxes. When the glycerol and the 3 fatty acids do combine, right? This is the glycerol. This is the glycerol. You can see this is the glycerol. These are the 3 fatty acids. They combine with the ester bond, what I have told you, and it forms a triglyceride. The triglycerides are the ready-made or the fats that we consume from the animal fat, and there is a system in our digestive tract that digests these fatty acids in Sharia similarly. The simple lipids are of the 3 kinds. One is the glyceride. Glyceride are of the 2 types. Simple lipids are of the 2 types. One is the glyceride. We have given the example of the triglyceride. It is the glycerol plus the fatty acids, and it forms a triglyceride, right, by the ester bond, right. When it is dehydrated, and it forms, dehydration means the water is taken out from it, and the water is taken out of it, it combines with the glycerol, 3 fatty acids, and it forms a triglyceride. The second is the waxes. The waxes, simple waxes that you take out from this, that you take out from what? From your ear, by the earbud. That wax, that wax is a lipid. That wax is also the simple lipid. The wax you take out from the ear by the earbuds, that wax is also the simple lipid. So the simple lipids are of the 2 types we can find. One is the glyceride, the fatty acid, and the glycerol combine, they form the glycerides. And the second is the waxes. We did see the bee wax or the wax in our ears. Shawar, in Sharias, please tell me. Right? मैंने कितने टाइप्स बताए लिपिड्स के? अबास्पीर, अबास्पीर?
3 types: simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived
लिपिड्स. मसरत मोहम्मद, लिपिड्स, सिंपल लिपिड्स के कौन कौन से हैं?
glycerides and waxes.
Very good, excellent, super excellent, Masrat, super excellent. And then the second kind is the compound lipids. Second kind is the compound lipids or the conjugated lipids. When the lipids do combine with the other molecules like the proteins, like the phosphorus, right, and these are known as the conjugated lipids. For example, we have seen the plasma membrane. When we will study the cell structure, there the plasma membrane is made up of the glycolipids, means the lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are the glycolipids or the phospholipids. The cell membrane is made up of the phospholipids, means the phosphate group is attached with the fatty acids that forms the phospholipids. When the lipids do combine with the other substance, that forms the compound or the conjugated lipids. We have taken the example of the phospholipids or the glycolipids or the lipoproteins, right? Phospholipids we did find in the plasma membrane. Lipoproteins we did find in our blood, like the low density LDL cholesterol, very low density VLDL, very low density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein LDL. These are known as a compound lipids. And third one is the derived lipid. They do not, हाँ, कंपाउंड लिपिड्स, मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, कंपाउंड लिपिड्स इंशाल्लाह अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं। जब लिपिड्स को मिलाया जाता है किसी और के साथ, जब लिपिड्स को मिलाया जाता है किसी और के साथ, तब वो कंपाउंड लिपिड्स बनते हैं। और इनको कभी-कभी कंजुगेटेड लिपिड्स भी पता है। कंजुगेशन मीन्स व्हेन दे मीट विद एन अनदर सब्सटेंसेस। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ये लिपिड्स
Yes.
फास्फोरस के साथ मिलते हैं, इनको कहते हैं फास्फोलिपिड्स। जैसे हमारे प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में फास्फोलिपिड्स पाया जाता है, राइट? अगर
Yes.
ये अगर ये जो प्रोटीन्स के साथ मिलते हैं, इनको कहते हैं लिपोप्रोटीन्स। जैसे हमारे ब्लड में पाए जाते हैं लो डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन्स, हाई डेंसिटी लिपोप्रोटीन एचडीएल्स, वीएलडीएल्स। ये टेस्ट कराने पड़ते हैं इन शारियाज जब लिपिड्स में ज़्यादा क्या होता है, फैट्स होते हैं, लिपिड्स होते हैं। तो इसी तरह से कंजुगेटेड लिपिड्स वो लिपिड्स होते हैं जब लिपिड्स किसी और सब्सटेंस के साथ मिलते हैं, जैसे हमने दिया एग्जांपल फॉस्फोलिपिड्स और द लिपोप्रोटीन्स और द ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स। राइट? राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? अब्बास पीर अंडरस्टैंड, इंशारियाज, मसरत मोहम्मद, अदनान फारूक, भट्ट जाकिर, बुशरा जफर, मीर मुबशर। Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward?
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
I
sir.
I take the message that you can move forward. We have understand the simple lipids that contain the glycerides and vexes, compound lipids that contain the phospholipids or the glycolipids or the lipoproteins. हम derived lipids that has been taken from the other substances. They do not contain the fats. They do not contain the fatty acids, but have the properties of the fats. Derived lipids, they do not contain the fatty acids, but have the fatty acids. Like they are but most important. Like these are of the two kinds derived lipids. One are the steroids, जैसे हमारे कोलेस्ट्रॉल हो गया, स्टीरोल्स, कोलेस्ट्रॉल हो गया। हाँ, तो यहाँ क्रोमोलिपिड्स, जैसे वो ऑयल्स हमारे सर के लिए जो एरोमेटिक होते हैं, जिनकी खुशबू आती है, वो तेल होता है। यानी derived lipids that do not contain the fatty acids but have the fatty properties. These are of the two kinds steroids, like that of the cholesterol found in our body. And second is the bile acids that are used for the digestion of the lipids. Second is the chromolipids. These are these oils that have the fragrance, that have the good fragrance, like the oils we do use for our body. Right? I am repeating it, derived lipids. The lipids that do not contain the fatty acids but have the properties of the fatty acids. They have been derived from the other fats. And we did find in the two types. One is the steroids, like the sterols. One is the steroids, like the sterols in our body, the cholesterol, and the second is the bile acids that are used for the digestion of the fatty acids. Second is the chromolipids that are found in this oils that are used by our body, which do have the good fragrance. राइट? जरा derived lipids, इंशारियाज आप जल्दी ना, मसरत मोहम्मद आप कंपाउंड लिपिड्स पे जल्दी से यूज कीजिए, मुझे बताइए, और इंशारियाज आप जिस derived lipids को बताइए। पहले मसरत मोहम्मद जल्दी से।
The compound lipids. So when lipids combine with another substantive conjugated lipids are like phospholipids, lipoproteins, and glycoproteins.
वेरी गुड। एंड जल्दी से जल्दी, टाइम खत्म हो रहा है, इंशारियाज derived lipids।
So these are taken from the other fats. They do not. They do not contain fatty acids, but have the properties of fats. It is of two types: saccharides and
क्रोमोलिपिड्स,
bioacids.
क्रोमोलिपिड्स, क्रोमोलिपिड्स, क्रोमोलिपिड्स। Right? Right? Did you understand? Did you understand? अब्बास पीर, did you understand?
Yes.
और इनके फंक्शंस क्या है? इनके फंक्शंस हमारे फूड जब फैटी हो जाएगी, आप इंशारियाज मसरत फैट्स, वो क्या मतलब हुआ? आपके बॉडी में फैट्स जमा हुए हैं, सो दे आर फूड स्टेरेजेस। राइट? जो हमारे स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स बन रहे हैं, जैसे टेस्टोस्टेरोन, ईस्ट्रोजेंस एंड पोस्ट्रोजेंस, दीज आर मेड अप ऑफ द फैट, दीज आर कॉल्ड द स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स। राइट? जो ज्यादा फैट्स खाते हैं, अब आस्पिरियल से खाए ज्यादा फैट्स, तेल तूर ते लगान ज्यादा कह, दे आर यूज फॉर द थर्मल रिक्वायरमेंट। अच्छा, इनके जो हमारे ए, डी एंड ई के विटामिन जो हैं, वो इसी से बनते हैं, वो इसी में से काम अपना करते हैं। और जब हमारे पास फैट ज़्यादा है, हम डरते नहीं, शॉक एब्जॉर्प्शन होती हैं, और इससे क्या एरोमेटिक ऑयल, खुशबूदार तेल भी बनते हैं इसमें, जो हम अपनी बॉडी को लगाते हैं। राइट? इंशारियाज, डिड यू लिसन? क्या क्या मैंने बताया? क्या क्या फंक्शंस मैंने बताए जल्दी से? दे आर यूज्ड फॉर द फूड स्टोरेज। हाँ, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खाना फैट्स आते मोटी हो जाओगे। शाबाश, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। अब्बास पीर क्या जल्दी। सेकंड, इंशा मैंने फंक्शंस बताए, ये फूड स्टोरेज के लिए, ये स्टेरॉइड हार्मोन्स के लिए बनाए जाते हैं, ये टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने के लिए। इनमें से हम विटामिन ए, डी एंड ई के यूज करते हैं because they are fat soluble. Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins. They can be utilized with the fats. Fats are used as a shock absorption